Well, believe it or not, traders and investors are talking about something besides the weather. Remember stock pickers? They've seemed out of style in recent years as momentum stocks and broad industry ETFs have taken over. But with the bull market maybe moving at a slightly slower pace and a lot of volatility predicted this year, it may be time to go back to the basics. Dominic Chu explains.
Back to normal again. That's how many traders are describing this market because stocks now trade more on company fundamentals and not as much on just large swings in investor sentiment. That happened during the financial crisis when everything was either down or up in tandem.
But now we've got a real difference in the market. Stocks that are shorts are actually going down, and stocks that are quality, that are based on quality companies, are actually going up. So this is why they call it a stock picker's market, and that's more true this year than it was last year or in years past.
That means there's an opportunity to do some research and actually outperform the broader market. Even within specific industry groups, we're already seeing a divergence in the way some stocks trade against others. Take, for instance, the pharmaceuticals industry. Big drug makers like Merck and Pfizer have similar lines of business. But so far this year, Merck shares have gained 11%. Meanwhile, Pfizer shares have risen by just 4%. A similar story is playing out in the world of high-tech computer chips. Shares of memory chip maker Micron Technology are up 14%. Meanwhile, shares of Intel, the world's biggest maker of chips for personal computers, well, they're down 5%. These types of performance discrepancies are allowing some professional money managers to earn bigger profits for their clients. And this kind of scenario could be here for the foreseeable future.
I think this year you're going to finally see for the first in about 5 or 6 years where active management does outperform. So whether you're picking individual stocks yourself or you're looking for the mutual fund managers who are able to do that for you, I think that's where investors want to be.
That's not to say that things can't and won't change back to the way they were during the crisis. But for now, stock pickers will take normal and be happy. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.